9 Best Tonic Waters brought to you by Advanced Mixology. Tonic water is a key mixer to have any home bar, and the core ingredients are soda water, sugar, quinine, which supplies the bitter flavor that defines this mixer. Let's take a look at the best tonic waters. Jack Rudy Classic Tonic Syrup is the best tonic syrup. A great choice is Jack Rudy's Classic Tonic Syrup, a concentrate made from quinine, botanicals and real cane sugar for sweetness. The best flavored tonic water is East Imperial Yuzu Tonic. The yuzu is immediately recognizable upon the first sip, bringing a tart, sweet zing that plays nicely with the strong botanicals. Top Note Classic Tonic Water is the best craft tonic. Top Note keeps things simple while making products with high-quality ingredients with what they call a craft brewer's mentality. The best tonic water for vodka is Boylan Heritage Tonic. This tonic works well with all types of vodka, thanks to a pronounced citrus flavor from the lemon, key lime and bitter orange extracts. Q Mixer's Light Tonic Water is the best light tonic water. You can use this tonic water as a mixer if you're concerned about extra calories or sugar in your drinks. Fentiman's Tonic Water is the best for gin and tonic. This tonic water is excellent. Botanicals like juniper, makrut lime and lemongrass are infused into the water to complement the floral notes of gin. If you are looking for budget-friendly tonic water, you can choose Schweppes Tonic Water. It's sweet, with just a little bitterness from the quinine, and has been used in countless gin and tonics all over the world. Canada Dry Tonic Water is the best for drinking on its own. It might be a bit sweeter than other craft offerings. The quinine bitterness keeps its flavor profile relatively balanced. Overall, Fever Tree Indian Tonic Water is the best tonic water. This tonic is not too sweet and can be mixed with any spirit for a tasty highball or cocktail. Learn more about cocktails and liquors at our website, advancedmixology.com.